So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this tutorial we're gonna discuss how you can permanently deactivate your Twitter account. I'm going to show you a very easy method to deactivate your Twitter account. All you have to be just careful before deactivating because it's an irreversible process. So once you deactivate your account, you won't be able to recover it all your data and everything. So in this example, I'm going to show you how you can do that process in Twitter web. You can do the same process on your Twitter PC version, or you can do the same process in your mobile application as well. So for example, I have opened the Twitter and logged in my Chrome browser. Once I open and log in to the Twitter account, all I have to just click on the profile option at the top left corner. When you click there, you will see an option of settings and support. Just simply click on this option and another window will open right in front of you which says settings and privacy. Just click on the option of settings and privacy. Now all you have to do is you have to click on the option of your account at the first number of the settings as you are in the settings of your Twitter. Just simply click there, and now all you have to do is to just simply click on the option of deactivate your account at the most below of the list. When you click there, a deactivating window will open right in front of you which will warn you before deactivating your account, or it will provide you some alternate to your solutions if you are not able to find some solution and deactivating your Twitter account for that reason. So it may provide you some solution as well, as if you want to change the username, you don't need to delete your Twitter account, or you can change the email address or anything. All of the additional information has been given there. If you are deactivating from one of these reasons, you can make that sure that you can change the settings as well. Or it says that if you deactivated your Twitter account by accidentally, you can recover it again by logging into your Twitter account, but it's only available for the 30 days after deactivation. So once you are satisfied, just simply click on the red button of deactivate and it may ask the password of your Twitter account. Once you enter the password, your Twitter has been deactivated. So I hope this video will be helpful and interesting for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.